Do you want to remove Meta AI from your Facebook cause it seems too annoying in your DM section, or you are feeling like someone is constantly watching you? Then no worries cause you are watching GetAssist. My name is Himanshu, and in this video, let's remove Meta AI from your Facebook so that you can browse freely and chat without any hindrance of Meta AI. First of all, open up your Facebook application and go to the Messenger option there. Then you will find Meta AI bot in the chat also, and down there as an option too. Now, to remove Meta AI from your Facebook, just go back and long press on the Facebook icon. You'll see the option of uninstalling it. Just tap on that and uninstall the Facebook's current version you are having on your phone. Now open up your web browser and search for Facebook's old version and go for uptodown.com because it's safe and secure. Guys, it's a trusted website. Next step is download an older version of Facebook and look for a version which came somewhere near the end of March, as Meta AI was not introduced till then. Now download the APK compatible for your Android or iOS device accordingly. And now what will you get to see? See, Meta AI option isn't available neither on the top of your chat nor on the home page, and neither in the messenger chats. Now you have successfully removed Meta AI from your Facebook account. And that's all in this video. If you like this video, if you find this video useful, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends who are facing the same problem, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you super soon in the next video. Just keep watching GetAssist. Till next time.